That's Riku inside my dog hotel building. And he actually used to be really scared of everything inside. But now, he went in with the dogs and totally fine with everything around. I hope he walked beside this skateboard and he's actually walking beside it and totally fine with it. It's awesome. I'll try to do something actually. Try to move it. But if dog's around, he's good. He's totally fine with it. Yesterday I stayed 15 minutes straight to get him used to this. See what? I don't care at all. I don't care at all. Awesome, Rick. That's a Rick. That's a boy. Amber. Come say hello, buddy. Yes, baby. Go, Joe. That's what dogs do. Help another dog. See, I'm now increasing how loud it is. And even it was almost hitting him, but oh, I'm cool. I'll learn. Rocky! That's a boy. Here, boy. That's a boy. Chelsea. Awesome. He's doing great.